Good afternoon. Again, my name is Dave Puckett, founder of avoidcourt.com, Chief AI Officer. In a previous video, when I was introducing how to leverage our technology to facilitate a divorce, even including sort of demystifying the process and challenging the common health societal belief that you have to retain a lawyer and that you do have to file a lawsuit. That is the difficult thing sometimes. Again, as mentioned, as a citizen of this country, we're not advocating if you feel you need a lawyer, lawyer up. But you might want to consider trying our unique approach. You remember the mystery behind getting a cab in a city that you weren't familiar with not too many years ago? Did they accept visas? If you trusted handing your card across the seat, would they shave it, take a picture of it, use it for future purchases? Is the cab driver going to go the most direct and cost-effective way? Or is he or she going to drive you around since you're not familiar with the city that you're arriving into? In many ways, using the legal system is that kind of mystery. Sure, most attorneys try to make it easier with a low, we'll give you a free consultation, or we'll give you, give us a small retainer at X dollars an hour, and we all believe it's going to take a much less than it's going to take. Unfortunately, society and the legal system has become a mystery. It's become a barrier. It's estimated in various studies that I've seen as 60 to 80% of the population of this country cannot afford a lawyer or doesn't know how to navigate the system. And the only people that is a positive for is the lawyers. You know, there's some good lawyers. There's some okay lawyers. There's some not so good lawyers. But the economic model of the profession doesn't, and in fairness, conflict can't be rushed. Often, time changes our perspective in a conflict. Thus, time can be a positive in a conflict. Okay. Now, in a typical divorce, it's not unusual for both sides to have attorneys, paid retainers, and navigate allowing their respective attorneys to be their negotiators, for lack of a better word, through the process of the divorce. Why? Are they really the best? Is this really the easiest and most effective, cost-effective, confidential way to resolve a dispute? We don't believe so. We believe we have designed it. We also know that 90% of conflict is emotion. We also know through study, I have advanced degrees in psychology and understand and dedicated to conflict analysis, conflict resolution, diagramming the conflict. That's my area of expertise. Dispute system design. That's what our company does. It offers dispute platforms. Okay. Again, we're not afraid to tackle divorce. We're not afraid to tackle any conflict. We have ability to use our patent pending approach, allowing the two parties to disclose within the parameters of the system. If I'm in a conflict with you, I don't see what you want. You don't see what I want, but the AI does. And it looks for deltas or getting us into where our needs, wants, and desires overlap more than we might even think is possible. The computer, through software driven by AI, resolving disputes for you versus two mouthpieces, lawyers, right? The other lawyer on the other side doesn't know what you really want. Vice, the same's true on the other side. AI is a unique approach to a modern way to electronically negotiate resolves to disputes. Again, a voice you deserve, a price you can afford. Try it. We offer a satisfaction guarantee. And the good news, most of our disputes are solved 30, 45, at the most 60 days. Why don't you try us? And again, if it fails, go to the legal system, hire an attorney. Thanks for your consideration, and we look forward to serving you.